Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change screen brightness on Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, either the A series or S series, and you want to change your screen brightness, then here's a video for you. So if I don't know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change screen brightness on Samsung, all you need to do is scroll down the control center. Then here you should see your Samsung phone screen brightness. To change the screen brightness, you can just use this to reduce the screen brightness or use this to increase the screen brightness. However, if this is above the recommended screen brightness level, you should say turn on adaptive brightness. So that's one way to change your Samsung phone screen brightness. Another way you can use to change Samsung phone screen brightness is go to your Samsung phone settings, and on the settings page, just scroll down, locate and click on display. Here, you can also adjust your screen brightness here. And if you want to adjust your screen brightness automatically, go ahead and turn on adaptive brightness. Once you enable adaptive brightness, this is going to allow your Samsung phone to adjust the brightness automatically based on your ambient light. And then you can just disable this again if you want to manually adjust the screen brightness. And then once you've adjusted the screen brightness to your choice, then you can hit the back button. So that is basically how to change screen brightness settings on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.